Hi, if you're wondering if you've just been transported back to 2016, no, I'm really here right now. I'm really in this setting of filming a makeup tutorial. If you've been following me for a while, you know that this is kind of how I started on YouTube. I did a lot of makeup tutorials. I loved makeup. The makeup world was very different back in 2016. Also, it's Halloween, so happy Halloween. I'm drinking matcha. So good. I feel like I make the best matchas, but I don't know. Everyone likes their matcha so differently. This is going to be a makeup look for... I'll show you guys what I'm going for. This is kind of what I'm going for in terms of makeup. And I actually don't own a lot of makeup at all. Everything fits into one makeup bag. And the only eyeshadow I own is this. But I do have eyeliner. So I think it's possible. Anyway, let's start. I haven't been using an eye primer in many years. This is the first time I've owned an eyeshadow primer in a long time. Do I think you need primer? Probably not. But I am excited to actually give this a go because you guys just saw the eyeshadow that I use. It's not the most amazing. Okay. I am going to start with my face first. I just wanted to do that to let it dry. I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Magic Touch Concealer. Usually every single concealer, foundation, anything that I own, it's always the lightest shade because I'm pretty pale. Yeah, my skin at the moment is being a bit temperamental, so that sucks, but go in with that. This is the e.l.f. Putty Primer application, but I don't even know what that is. I just really love this brush. I just feel like it's so dense and it works really well. This is the sort of makeup that I put on when I feel like I want to look sexy. Like, I feel like I look my best when I have dark eyes. And come to think of it, I'm thinking of all of my old makeup tutorials too. I feel like I always did a dark eye. I guess it's just kind of what I like on myself. So if you didn't know, or this is your first time here, I used to film makeup tutorials way back when it was being a beauty guru was really a thing. It was what most women or what most girls did on YouTube. If you had a YouTube channel, it was you were a beauty guru, you know? Not all, but most of them, and that was me. I think the reason why I stopped was for a long time I didn't fall out of love with makeup. I still really enjoy makeup. I enjoy the process of putting on makeup. I did fall out of love with buying a heap of makeup and trying to have the latest and greatest. I feel like YouTube has changed now, so it's you don't need, to be a beauty guru, you don't need to have a lot of makeup. You can just do makeup well. I'm sorry if you guys can see these scabby things under my eyes. I've been picking at my skin. I know, it's bad. I need to stop. And I don't even think I'm the best at makeup. I just kind of know where things go. You know, eyeshadow, it goes on my eyes, so I'll just do it until it looks good. But people used to give me compliments actually a lot about saying that they liked my makeup. So I've got the Emco Beauty Miracle Flawless Skin Foundation. Heads up, a lot of my makeup is Emco Beauty. I've recently done got rid of all my old makeup that I've had for 8+ years and got some Emco. I didn't get a lot by any means. I still have products that I've had here for maybe over 6 years. Everyone was raving about Emco. I know it's controversial because they steal from bigger brands. I really love this. Sorry, I've got a lot of Emco, guys. You don't need to go and buy Emco. You can use whatever makeup you want. I like to start by actually pressing in my foundation. So yeah, it wasn't really I fell out of love with makeup. I still really enjoy makeup, and in fact I feel right now I feel very inspired by makeup. You can really change the way you feel and the way that you look with makeup. But I also feel it's a really easy way to, if you want to try a trend, you want to look more goth girl or cool girl, clean girl, whatever the hell, you know, you can. And you can do that with makeup without buying clothes or dyeing my hair. So yeah, YouTube was changing. I was growing up, my living situation was changing. Moved in with my boyfriend, so, and like his parents as well. I didn't necessarily have like a secure place to film. I never really did growing up. I think I did a good job at kind of hiding it, but I always had to like sneak around and film my YouTube videos because it was very weird and taboo back then. Since moving into this place, this has been the first time in so many years, like since I was literally a teen, that I have my own makeup vanity, and it's perfect as well. I'm so obsessed with it. I thrifted it for $40 and I'm obsessed. I'll have to show you guys. It came with this matching chair and I sat down on a mirror right here. Like I've got it all here, and I just kind of remembered what it was like to be a girl doing your makeup, doing your hair. Like it's so much fun. It can be so much fun. But for a long time, it really felt like a chore because I didn't have anywhere to do it. So I felt like I was really faking my way through everything, just trying to make it work. I hope that makes sense, but that's kind of why I stopped. Funnily enough, my best performing video on this channel is a makeup tutorial. Just to warm up my face a bit, I'm gonna go in with the MCO bronzing drops. This is not to contour. I usually use the Clinique Chubby Stick. I like both of these, but this does have a shimmer, so I'm gonna do like a mixture of both, but I'll do this first. I know people rub this in with their foundation and moisturizer. I'm not gonna do that because I am so pale. I know exactly how that's gonna look, and I'm going to look not good. Wow, that looks so good. I kind of love that. See how that's kind of just warmed me up, and it like hasn't, it's not a contour, it's just warmed me up. But Chubby Stick, I have been using this for years. It hasn't run out. I won't lie guys, admittedly, I want a jawline. I don't have a very good jawline. Does anyone actually know if mewing works? Or like chewing gum or something? I don't know. I also don't know if I care enough. So yeah, if you've been following my life journey through this channel, I suppose, now that I am in my own space, I feel like I can have more of a play around with the videos that I post. MCO Highlight and Glow Beauty Wand in the colour Champagne Glow. I kind of try and do this like C shape. I don't really know why. I think my friend did it on me once and I just thought, oh, that looks way better than what I've been doing. So I've just been doing that. I'm gonna get started on the eyes, but I will go in with my Laura Mercier first. I feel like this base is so flawless. I really, really love that foundation. Wow. Putting on the primer one more time, because I want it tacky. I don't understand the whole put eye primer on and then set it. That makes no sense in my head. So I'm not going to do that. More tacky. That's how I want it. Actually, I almost forgot. MCO Muni Blush. I think this is the dupe for the Dior thing. I don't know. I'm guessing, guys. Everything's just like a TikTok trend, but they come in and out so quickly I can't remember. But I will say this blush is really good. Like, ready? Ready for this? It's just so soft, so flawless. Like, I don't know how to explain. I feel like I look so glowy and pretty. I love it. Honestly, the foundation, really, really good. I wish it was sponsored. It's not. But wow, I love the base. Okay, let's get into the eyes. Eye-wise, I think it's going to be a lot of blending. Whatever, let's just try it. I actually don't even have black eyeshadow. I'm going to use a pencil to do all of this smudginess. Also as well, just for eyebrows, I literally just gel them down. Okay. The last time I would have filmed a YouTube makeup tutorial, thick eyebrows were in, okay? As thick as you could. Like, I'm talking the gel stuff that you paint on. I think one too many people were victim of that. I hope they're doing okay. She is matte black. I'm gonna do sparkly black. I'm gonna start by tight lining, up top, down bottom. Something about my eyes, the color of the pencil, like it never comes off. My eyes are so watery. I don't understand. Oh, here we go, hold on. Hello. Hello. Give me that. Give me that pigment. I don't know what I did differently. I pressed a little harder, I think. Great thing about a messy eye, can you really go wrong? I'm also making sure I'm doing this here to really connect the top and the bottom so there's not a weird space. Obviously, it looks a bit weird right now. I'll fix it. At least if I mess this up, it's Halloween. So I'll just say I'm going as like a dead girl or something. I feel like that's kind of slay. This looks fucking shocking. This looks shocking. We'll get there. And I'm pretty much going to keep doing this until it looks good. The wing kind of failed, so I'm going to go in with this like dark brown, purpley color. Do it like this.
You want coffee?
Yeah.
Can you make me one?
I'm completely changing up the look. Gonna go in with a bit of blue. Right here. And I've kind of scrapped the wing, replaced it with this blue. Kind of going for effy vibes, where the messy eye originated from, if you will. Yeah, this is it. So we scrapped the wing, went with the blue, and now mascara and then lippy, and we're done. I always do my mascara out like this to try and make it like a cat eye type look. Okay. All right. Bad makeup doesn't always have to be bad makeup. I was really failing there for a second, but we stepped it up. Lining my lips with the Benetint. I find that with a lot of lip products, my lips will peel. So I just like something that is kind of like a stain. Putting that on just to stain my lips, but I'm actually going to go in with MAC. This is I really like this one. It's the Squirt Plumping Gloss Stick in Simulation. And then get the hair going. Hot, sexy, hot girl makeup. Aquamarine, summer, effy stonem, winter. You know what I mean? You know, that's kind of the vibe. So yeah, that's it. I don't know what I'm calling this makeup look. Hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you want more.